If you're a foodie, then you need to make those bites count. Welcome to EnsureFood. Here, we're all about making healthy food choices that are delicious and easy. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, manage your thyroid, or keep diabetes in check, EnsureFood's got your back. We'll explore tasty recipes, bust food myths, and give you the tools to take control of your health. Say goodbye to boring diets and hello to vibrant, nutritious meals that fuel your body and mind. Join our community of health enthusiasts and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Subscribe now and discover the power of making the right food choices with EnsureFood. Ready to eat better, feel better, and live better? Let's get started with EnsureFood.